On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me some leftover underlaying flooring. So I've got quite a few small pieces and quite a few big pieces. I think I'm going to take one of these a couple of these and make a few gingerbread men. Yes, I can see it now coming out of my oven. Bzoo, 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 bzoo. Ta-da! So now we just need to sand the edges. Sand all the edges. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Just kidding. Don't put wood in the oven. That's ridiculous. But seriously, don't put wood in the oven. Instead, paint the wood so it looks like it's been baked. So paint the gumdrop buttons and his eyes and his lips, the frosting. Then paint it all like a light brown, all of it. And then you glue the buttons on and the face. You can add bows and, eyebrows. Voila! He is done! He is fully baked all the way through. Seriously, don't bake it. You can have him just be next to your house, or you can create a stand so he can be out in the snow. He is done! And please subscribe for more videos like this. Who knows what my true love will give me next? Okay, bye!